So we can continue doing the windows. We use the reference the inside walls because it's the window belong to that kind of to that room. Lock, disable the walls. Let's see, this is 1.6. Let's say enter. Again, drag, lock with arrow. This is 1.1, 1.1 my window. Okay. Again, I would like to do all of them in this phase, so I don't have to switch on and off. I drag to this, I lock it, disable the walls, and from here is 0.7. 0.7. Okay, this window has a 1.2, let's say width. Again, I drag it here. This would be 0.8. Probably is the same size, 1.2. So those are my windows on this side. Enable the walls, drag those lines. I lock it once. Okay, second. This jumped, so I want to be precise of the X has to appear. Have to be careful that the X appears, otherwise the line might jump. I already have those lines. I use the rectangle tool now and I draw all of those. So those are my windows. What I can do now, it's I do all of those all of those windows in one shot. I click on this and then I click and shift. When I keep the shift click, I can select multiple things in SketchUp. Okay, so when I shift, I select all of them. I push pull and I can push. Okay, didn't quite keep it. It worked in the premium version, but then I do it one by one because that works too. So I have all the windows on this side. If I want to go on this side and I'm not sure how to rotate it, or I messed it up when I rotated it and I turned everything upside down and so on, then again I go to the scenes and I go try to see which view I want. So for example, this is the right view. Perfect, this is the one I want. I drag a little bit, I disable the scenes, disable the walls, and again using the enable the walls just to have the reference. I drag it, the guideline, I disable the walls now, shift drag, and I have this line to be at 1.1, let's say 1.1. Probably this window is bigger than the other, it looks like so. 1.45, so 1.4. Okay, enable the wall. I drag this. You see, my guideline disappeared. This means that it snapped to some other surface. It's found this another surface that is snapped. I don't want this. I want to lock it in the horizontal. So I have to push up arrow. And then, and if I rotate it a little bit, you will see that I have this reference guides here. I want to go here. And again, I want to lock it and I want to go here. And again, from here, I want to look it. Now it's not the right arrow, now it's the left arrow because I'm on the other axis. So here and here. Again, rectangle tool, you drag, push pull, P on face, click, and I have this window as well. So Please do the rest of the windows and then we will go to the inside of the house. But for now, I think it will be good enough if you finish with the windows.